Guys, who would have guessed that this is winter? Not on our crop top.
With something underneath.
Guys, it's winter, guys, but today is such a beautiful day. We're actually at Costco. We're trying to get ourselves a new mattress. I'm just grabbing a few stuff, taking you guys along with us. Grab a cart, babes. We do a cart. Grabbing a few stuff, guys, and as usual, you guys coming along with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, and what else? Drop a comment. Alright, guys, see you guys inside Costco. Okay. Yes, guys, so I accidentally damaged my Costco cart, so I have to go and get a new one first. Guys, I had to go and renew my membership. Renew my membership, or renew my card. My card got damaged accidentally. So at Costco, you can't shop unless you have a membership. So it's membership shopping in bulk. So that's what this is. Similar to Price Mart. Our Price Mart is similar to Costco. Yada. Right now we're looking for a mattress. It's not bad, this.
Small. Samsung.
$12.99 Samsung. This looks similar to the one that we saw in Mama last night.
This price for you?
$2.89. That's so reasonable.
With the range.
With the range. Do you get a range with it though? This looks like a very good buy. $2.89. $1,400. This not bad either. It's not bad. No ice maker? What's the cost? Costco Canada only. What about the dishwasher? Literally $800. $1,100. These look really cheap though.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad. For some bathing. So pretty.
Straight shoes. Check your makeup if your makeup put on properly.
No, nothing is not.
Not in the fridge.
Nice one.
Yeah.
LG 1.6. Upgrading. Television.
Yeah, we need another TV. 65 inch. Isn't this what we have now? It looks similar. I don't even know what we have right now. That's okay.
So is it?
$7.99. Used with platform bed or any back spring. These are the only ones I got.
This is temporary stuff.
What's usually here? You can reach the top?
Huh?
You can reach the top?
Top. If I can
The
reach
top of the mattress.
If I can reach it up.
Yeah, can you touch the top of the mattress?
No.
Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna get this to know because I think we saw it cheaper at Walmart, $800. We saw it at Walmart online, I think for $400 and something dollars. So I am not sure if it's smart to buy this or check Walmart first. What do you guys think? Let me know. Yeah. Pick up some of this. What's that? $59?
All cooked lobster.
See if we can get the crab legs. If not, we'll draw back to this. Crab legs.
21, 24, 22. Nice size.
Crab legs. Guys, we're gonna try some seafood, bro. Hopefully that's not spoiling. Let's see ones that I picked. What's the price? $22 and $21. Or less. Do you want the mussels? Last time I went into Superstore, I bought 3 chicken for $50. Let's see what Costco is going on with.
For $33.
3 chicken for $33. Superstore, shame on you. Costco. Yay, membership matters.
Oh. And November 25th.
November the 25th?
Yeah.
That's good, that's like next week.
I'm scared to because of like the pot them kind of ease on the slice to chicken.
I don't really like these fish. I don't think I've ever had those though. So no fish? Muffin? What about the nice bread? Yeah, I want to.
Drumsticks.
$19. 2.64 kg, so roughly 5 pounds of drumsticks. Watch this right here. My little baby spoon.
What's that?
I don't know, but it smells good. Hello. not that bad.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, yeah. $5.99. Brussels sprouts. Flathead cabbage. What type of cabbage is that? Looks like Jamaican cabbage.
Cabbage.
Yeah, let's take it up. $6.99. What about strawberries? Lady, I broke it one way. Alright. What the cart is looking like so far?
Orange. Just
You're orange in the cart? You see, that's the thing with a lady and a gentleman, and I'm like, why? Like, man, no business enough and all.
they can't go say you that part. Ow.
Server right. That's his orange in the cart,
Trying
guys.
to arrange the car.
We need seafood broth seasoning. I don't remember what the name though. Don't remember what name? Yeah, I sent it to long term memory, but
Be a meat.
be a meat.
Alright.
Meat eater. Fire. Fire upon a meat eater.
Bread out. Good candy also. You know, don't it's not good stuff.
And you got the shower thing. That's all. So just a little bit of fruits. I bought grapes yesterday, so
No, we don't need it.
that's it. Okay. Good job. Good job. Keep it moving. yeah. I always run from the cold like you don't live in North America. Woo! So cold. All good?
No, eat me, though. Pick up.
Alright, here we got the premium baking powder. $9.49. Big up the days when we used to go to shop. Mummy shop. If you know, you know. One bag of baking powder, $10. $10 baking powder. $15 baking powder. You never used to do that too?
Mm-hmm.
Big up the days, big up the days.
Alright, so your turn to push. Go. You're gonna sample this?
Nah. You want to get mac and cheese?
I think we have like 3 there. Don't need to get any.
Oh, they start doing that now. Selling the cheese separately. For all the persons who have one box of macaroni left. referring to nuts. This is a
You want to buy
lifesaver.
it?
I'm gonna buy it because I'm sure that there's like tons of
What?
empty macaroni
It's just
and no
one.
cheese.
It's just one. It is just one. You buying it? How much for it?
$9.79.
No, it's okay. It's not a need. We don't need it.
Gotcha.
We don't need it. Oh.
Good up, basmati. Brown rice. Australian. Sun brown rice. I haven't had brown rice in a while.
No one thing.
Brown rice is the empty one. We got the Tide Pod. Oh, we need those Q-tips. Yips. Q-tip for this. But it's not supposed to have no tears again. That's it. 3,000 Q-tip. You want it?
Oh, my sorry. Body wash is not.
There it is.
Yeah, regular.
Yeah, I don't need bar soap as well.
Irish Spring is down there.
On the other side?
It's the Irish Spring right there.
Oh, you know I want Irish Spring. Because it smells good. Babes. Stop going like you never used to get Irish Spring in a barrel.
No, I never used to be a...
You never used to get Irish Spring and like wrap up in a one little pasta, one little Irish Spring, one little roll on, one little something, one little pair of socks. Huh?
No.
You remember them days they stopped going like, man?
But I still like Irish Spring.
Man, look at a new toothbrush. And if you get it in Walmart.
Are you ready, please, sir?
Yes, we are.
Hello. Okay, number 5.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How many stuff?
Let's guess. Sure, general.
Around that. Yeah, about $300.
Do you have it in a box? No, it's okay.
How much?
$3.45.
We were close.
Thanks, Costco is so busy today. So guys, as usual, we spend more than we wanted to spend. Still don't get no mattress. So we're gonna go to Walmart and see if Walmart have any mattress available right now. And just grab a few other little stuff. So from Costco to Walmart, if you're still here, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 10,000 subscribers, but we can't get there without your help. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Smash a like on this video if you haven't done so already, and drop a comment, alright? Let me know, where do you shop? Do you shop at Costco? Do you shop at Walmart? What do you prefer? Let me know, guys. See you guys at Walmart. Come on, which one of them you like? Focus. What's up? I said I needed shampoo. Malia need toothbrush too, or just Malika? What about that up top?
Which one? This?
Yeah, I don't know those. Have a bigger one and a small one, or two small
Two
ones.
small one.
But for Malia or Malika? For Malia.
Small, yeah. Small, yeah. Malika is a small one as well.
Around shoulder.
That's it. You get dry. And then you can start cleaning.
How much for it?
One more aisle, look, and then after this it's over. And then we'll go check out the tree.
No, so it's totally shop, but not yours.
But them flimsy pillow here, man.
Let's put two together.
Yeah, two together feel for them.
Put two together. One right first. Yeah,
Man, that's the one. We got the pillar people. The pillar man them in Jamaica. Pillar them hard as a rock. Yeah guys, so we're still not finding any king size mattress, even the ones in a box. So we have queen size, full size, twins, but no king. So we might have to just order it online. So what we're gonna have to do, babes.
No fake ones in it.
13. Do I have no size 13? Check if
it
I have no size 13.
It's a size 11.
I'm trying to size 11.
It's size 11.
Size 11 probably too tight. Check if I have no 12 and a half, babes.
Yeah, that about 12.
Eh?
You know where to-
Check if I have a 12. I don't know, like I 11 more. Frosty, don't try. So these are some nice winter shoes that we found, guys. $49 in Walmart, and it goes up to negative 20 degrees.
That's what it says.
Negative 20.
Yay.
Ideally a size 13, but let's try to see if the size 11 work.
Whatever.
Come in, babes, let's try it. You ever notice that? It's almost instinctive when you're trying on shoes to try on the right foot.
Yeah, because you're right with the right hand.
Maybe.
Size 13.
No, just alright. A little tight. I wonder. It's alright. Exact. You know when just exact? I feel like I don't have no wiggle room. I told you just the right this.
So you don't have this for like the regular, but when it there's a lot of snow, you just wear the big ugly one.
You don't know the big ugly one?
No, you can't do that.
It's alright.
It's cute. Yeah, it's
It's
fine.
cute. But it still feel kind of too.
You want the size?
Let's try size 12.
See if
they
you can
have it.
find any.
It's just looks. Wait, what? What's it cost?
I don't know. $59.
It's $59. Like up to what temperature understand?
It does say, it didn't say. And have nothing to do with winter right now. I look brown.
I think both of them are really nice.
It's a kick here, see?
Oh yeah, I think to kick. Yeah, let's go to the cashier. Got our little cards. Oh, wipes.
Wipes.
Before we forget. card too small. Okay, let's go to the cashier.
That's until came in for?
Yep. Cashier time. Guys, we're done shopping for the day. We are done. So in Walmart just now, we ended up spending $140. Still don't get a mattress. So in total, that's what? $480. But it's okay, because we got some stuff that we didn't really need.
What we didn't need?
Crab legs.
Oh, but you didn't have the seasoning.
We don't have the seasoning yet. I bought a winter shoes, because I'm going to need one, because the one that I have I don't like. We just bought some stuff. And that's one of the things that Nats and I have been trying to work on. And you guys can drop a comment if it's similar for you guys. Now, we've been in Jamaica all our lives prior to coming to Canada. And average middle class family in Jamaica, like, we've trained our mind back then to just look for the cheaper stuff. So we find that even being here is like when we're looking for something, we're automatically looking for the cheaper stuff. So we're trying to train our mind not to look for the cheaper stuff, but to look for the stuff that has more quality, regardless of the price. We're not saying that we're rich and we're gonna be buying the most expensive thing, but we find that when we buy the cheaper stuff, it doesn't last that long, or the quality is inferior, or something of the sort. So I've been trying to kind of like reprogram our brain to buy more quality rather than price. So that's something that we've been really working on consciously. And probably it's being in Canada give us the opportunity to buy quality and not just the cheaper one. I know that many persons probably just buy quality from morning, but we weren't one of those persons. We are used to buying the cheapest things. That's just the truth. We are used to looking at something and be like, okay then. How much for that one?
Exactly.
So we've been trying to kind of like reprogram our brain. Guys, drop a comment and let me know if you guys can relate to what we're saying, because I don't want you guys to feel like, say, like, make us feel like we're the only ones who do this.
No, I don't. It's not all. It's not just us. There's a lot of persons that look for the cheapest and the cheapest, but cheap with quality. But that's what we do too. Yeah, cheap, but they have a little quality to it. Can you say it can last a couple of months or a year or whatever. And the thing is, because we had just a limited amount of like cash.
We did broke.
We never thought that word then.
We did broke, babes.
A limited amount of cash. We try to make that work for us. So that is one. Yeah. So we are trying to break out of that way of thinking, our way of looking at stuff. So looking for quality, even if it is expensive. Yes. If
We just buy it.
No, not buy it. Does it make sense to buy the quality? So we are assessing certain things.
True.
Yes.
And the other thing that we used to do, guys, is we used to wear things until it done.
Yeah. done.
We wear things until nothing left in it, until it done. So what we've been trying to work on right now is, treating ourselves more and getting rid of stuff. Even not when I say get rid of stuff, I don't necessarily mean throw it away, but we're donating stuff to the charities, Goodwill, Value Village, stuff like that, just because we want new stuff. And we find that if we don't get rid of the old stuff, we can't get the new stuff. And it's every angle of life. If you don't get rid of the old stuff, you won't make any room for the new stuff. So, like, for example, it could be clothes. If you don't empty the drawer and get rid of all the old clothes that you've been saving and ordering all over the period of time, you won't have enough space to get new clothes. It's the same thing with shows, it's the same thing with jobs.
The same thing with your mind. Get rid of old way of thinking so you can get new way of like reinventing yourself or whatever it is. Just change your mind.
Change your mind. Exactly. So we've been working a lot on ourselves, guys, in terms of just becoming more. Whatever more looks like, that's what we're working on. Because we believe that we're not just made to exist, but we're made to really have fun and enjoy our lives, right? So for persons, it's probably owning assets. For other persons, it's probably hanging out with friends, family, traveling, whatever the case may be. And sometimes we just find ourselves existing. But if we don't get rid of the old, we won't make way for the new. And that's what I want to share with you guys, right? So if it is that you are thinking of coming to Canada, we can put it to that too. If you don't get rid of the old way of thinking, get rid of that what everything that you think you have learned already or learned, kind of
Yes.
ed, gotta get it right, that you have learned, it won't make room for you to be able to accept new culture, learn new way of doing things, and just develop more. So get rid of the old way into the new way. Smash a like on the video, guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Drop a comment, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.